صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم.
Chapter on to clean the private parts with stones. Narrated Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him. I followed the Prophet peace be upon him while he was going out to answer the call of nature. He used not to look this way or that. So when I approached near him, he said to me, "Fetch me some stones for cleaning the private parts," or said something similar, "and do not bring a bone or a piece of dung." So I brought the stones in the corner of my garment and placed them by his side, and I then went away from him. When he finished from answering the call of nature, he used them. Footnote: the Arabic word rawth means the dung of mules, horses, or donkeys only, but the camel's dung is called ba'ar in Arabic, and the cow's dung in Arabic is called khithi.